In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable OneDrive on your Windows 11 and stop syncing a folder in OneDrive. We'll go through each step carefully to ensure that you can manage what information is being stored and synced through your OneDrive account. To begin this process, you'll first need to locate the OneDrive Cloud icon in your taskbar. It's usually found at the bottom right corner of your screen, near your network and volume icons. If you don't immediately see it, don't worry. There's a chance it might be tucked away in the Additional Icons pane. You can access this by clicking the upward arrow located near those icons. Once you've found the OneDrive icon, go ahead and click on it. Clicking this icon will open a small window that displays some basic information about your OneDrive account, such as recent activity. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of this window, where you'll see a gear icon representing settings. Click on that gear icon to continue. Upon clicking the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you need to select Settings. This will open a new window on your screen. At the top of this window, you'll notice several tabs, each providing different options for customizing and controlling your OneDrive experience. For our task, we're focusing on the Account tab, so navigate over and click on it. Within the Account tab, you'll find a plethora of useful information about your account, including details about your storage. Moreover, this is the place where you can manage which folders are syncing to your OneDrive. In this tab, you'll find a button labeled Choose Folders. Click on this button, and it will lead you to a menu listing all the folders currently set to sync with your OneDrive account. Typically, most of your important folders would be pre-selected for syncing. However, if you wish to change this setup, don't worry, it's a straightforward process. You'll see a list of folders with checkboxes beside them. To stop specific folders from syncing, simply uncheck the boxes next to the ones you don't wish to synchronize. This allows you to have control over exactly what data is uploaded and stored in your OneDrive. Tailor this list to fit your preferences and needs, ensuring you're only syncing what's necessary and keeping your storage space freed for what matters most to you. Finally, to ensure all your changes are saved, click on the OK button at the bottom of the window. Once you've done this, your selected folders will be officially removed from any future syncing activities. It's important to remember that these changes won't delete or alter your files on your computer, they simply stop the files from being updated to OneDrive from that point forward. And there you have it, a simple way to manage what syncs in your OneDrive.